You have to read directions for a vacuum cleaner? The problem here is, this is why I do these reviews. So, see what we got from TEMU. Always be careful opening a package from TEMU. Oh, is anything broken? That's not broken. Box is crushed, of course, just like TEMU. Oh, that's my vacuum cleaner? No way, in this tiny little box. Wow. Okay. Dog leash. Oh yeah, we were looking forward to this. Okay, that's for you, buddy. Oh, look how cute this is. Another dog leash. Yay! Oh my god, these are so tiny. I wasn't expecting them to be that small. What is this? Oh, we know what that is. We'll have to check it out. Oh, and my shirt! Oh, we get a new shirt to try on today. Come on, honey, stop. All right, we'll check them all out. We'll check them all out, buddy. We'll check them all out. God. Okay, looks like nothing's broken. Let's get some close-ups. Ooh. All right, cheap. Kids cheap. Very kids cheap. Same thing. I'm definitely not impressed. That is the cheapest of cheapest materials. Guess this is for your ankle or your wrist. Again, very cheap material. Shall we check out the vacuum cleaner? Oh, this should be interesting, being in as small as box as it is. Not really sure how to open this box. Alright, I guess we'll do that. Jeez. This is supposed to be one of the most powerful vacuum cleaners with cyclone power. We're about to find out. Instructions. Crevice tool. Very cheap. Filter. Interesting. Dusting brush. Power plug. And wow, this would be perfect in my car because it's so tiny. Here's the power plug. If this in fact is as powerful as they make it sound in the video, if it is, I'm going to give 10 thumbs up to this. By golly, that is a lot of power. But where's all the suction? Am I doing something wrong? Alright, we'll check it out. Let's see how well this vacuum cleaner does. And I cut up various sizes and shapes. Maybe we'll even crumple a few and see what happens. Not bad. Now, will it pick up some simple dog hair? Should I say simple? Dog hair is tough. Oh my god, it's falling out. Wait a second here. What is the point of that? Alright, do I need to read some directions here? Oh my gosh. Let me read some. You have to read directions for a vacuum cleaner? Alright, maybe. Let's read them. Meanwhile, I do want to see if it picks up this dog hair here. Hang on. It picked up some of the dog hairs. I can't believe we have to read directions for a vacuum cleaner. Hold on a second. Okay, that's interesting. These directions are literally in several different languages. Cool, I guess. Except for the only directions for me in English are these little tiny pictures here, which even with a magnifying glass are very difficult to read. And it doesn't say anything about why this falls out. Except for the logic of, you obviously cannot use it without this piece here.
The crevice tool.
Otherwise, oh my god, it falls out of here too? What the heck? And then of course we have this little piece.
The brush tool.
That goes in there like that. Oh, and it falls out of there too. Lovely, lovely piece of machinery, guys. So you could suck it up, but by golly, don't put it down for a minute because you'll lose all the collection. Oh my god. One thumb up on the suction. One thumb down. I mean, what vacuum cleaner spills out when you put it upside down? Why does this why is there there's nothing stopping this from coming out? Oh my gosh. Heavenly, heavenly, heavenly. Only in TEMU land. Only in TEMU land. Oh. And then we have my dog leashes, which I really needed to replace the ones that I had. Oh, those are really good clips. Strong. Alright. These are not normally clips I would trust my dog with, but they are very tight. And that is very nice. Okay, so there's that. This is more for my dog. A heavy duty type of, there we go. Dog cable. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is something more geared towards my dog. My Australian cattle dog. I thought there was there's no locks on it, there's no twist on it, so this could just bounce out. So that is concerned, even though it's heavy duty. But this is a really nice cable. Alright, so there's that. There's those. And last but not least, let's check out my shirt. Ooh. That has got to be some of the cheapest polyester I've ever seen. Pretty. 3/4 sleeves it looks like. Zipper's as cheap as could possibly be.
That is definitely not sweatshirt material.
It is not a sweat shirt. There's nothing sweaty, sweatshirt about it, okay? It's 100% polyester, by the way, and it feels like it. But we'll try it on. See if we like it. The size seems okay. I ordered a large because I thought maybe if it's coming from China, it might be a little smaller, so I overdid it. I usually wear a medium. But you know what? It's true to size because it is big on me. In fact, it's big enough on me as 3/4 sleeves to be worn as a regular shirt. Although if you go like that, it'll shrink. It's really not all that comfortable. It feels a little awkward and misshapen. It is called a 3/4 sweatshirt. So we'll wear it like that as a sweatshirt, even though there's nothing sweaty sweatshirt about it. Yesterday when I tried it on, it did feel a little toxic-y. When I say uncomfortable, I mean I feel like I'm putting toxins on my body. Like this feels like I'm polluting my body. The material feels unnatural, like chemically and not so good. As far as high quality, it is the cheapest feeling shirt ever. It's okay. I wouldn't write home about it, and I will say it's not very comfortable. It doesn't feel cozy, and it feels a little awkward. So guys, this is why I do these reviews, because you don't know this unless somebody goes to the extent of purchasing these things and shows you the results. So, return, cheap, awful sounding. Terrible material. I mean, cute for a kid, I guess. I wanted to make at least a little bit of sound, musical sound for my videos. That doesn't do it. So I'm going to say out of all of these items, return for sure. Return, awful. And these are good. The only concern I have is my dog is a Houdini, so he will most likely get those clips open somehow, but not TEMU's fault. So this is good quality material. I'm going to call that good quality material. And I'm going to call this good quality material. So keep, and return the rest. That's unfortunate. Thanks, TEMU. Even though yesterday when I tried it on, it did feel not so good. It's not so bad today. So instead of returning it, I'm not going to do that. Instead of giving it away, I'll probably give it away eventually, but I'll wear it a few times. Why not? Jehovah Jireh, my provider, the Lord cares for me. Okay, so while I was worshiping God yesterday, it occurred to me, I fell in love with these because I drew closer to the Lord. I'm not returning these. Yes, it is a little bit of a tinny sound, but you know what? God was honored. God rewarded me with the anointing of His Spirit coming upon me while playing these yesterday and worshiping Him and Him alone, just me alone in this house. So you know what? I've decided I'm keeping these little, what I think are tinny things. I think they're lovely because God thinks they're lovely, and it calls His holy name. So here we go. We're keeping them. Thank you so much for watching. Woo!